how to draw a basic realistic ellipse, and how to fix them, the usually beginner's mistake. Well, this video will help you to improve your shading skills up to next level. But first, this is the usually do of a beginner when making drawing of ellipse. When applying an outline or a layout, don't take so much pressure on the pencil by making outlines, just make it lighter for guiding purposes. Don't do this shading style, and don't stop when first shade is done. Don't make it yet to the conclusion and making a random hatching for the lips. It's a big no. Now, it's time to make it more realistic lips, and here I will draw the right way. Listen and watch this. Make an X and Y axis. X will represent as a horizon and vanishing point line of ellipse, and Y will represent as center and thickness of ellipse. Always draw a lighter outline just to make a guide. When applying shades for the whole drawing, don't stop on your first shading. Just make another layer for another weight of shading and make sure the darkest part is always near to the outline. This will make your lips more bumpy. The opening must be the darkest part for a line, because it's a part where the upper and lower lips shadows emerging. Always remember, both the center part of a upper and lower lips is light hair shading. After put all shading, you can now make a displacement of its skin, by doing proper hatching. And last, do your way of final touching.